It's been a truly fantastic day to be part of this inauguration. That's important for Ovako as a company, but also very important for the steel industry. We've been able to see the new fantastic buildings.
What we have experienced here today is nothing less than a success story. Now Ovako has paved the way for decarbonization of the steel industry in Europe and to a great deal of the rest of the world. So congratulations, Ovako.
I'm totally excited because I'm going to do the same job today as yesterday, but in a more environment-friendly way. So I'm so excited and thankful to be part of this journey.